still on the dash cam here. Remember I told you the front is 1080, the interior is 750p, and the rear camera, this is the rear camera. It has a reverse camera. So if your car did not come with reverse camera, especially Toyota cars don't come with reverse cameras. I don't know how, I don't know why. This is how you install reverse camera. These are the parts of the reverse camera. This is the reverse camera itself. We have the connector. This cable is very long. Inatoka hapa mbele ya windscreen yako, inaenda all the way mpaka huko nyuma, na you connect this part hapa. Hii jack unaingiza hivi. Hata kama wewe si foodie, it's very easy. Unaingiza hivyo mpaka ina click. Then this red wire here, unaona hii red wire? Hii red wire una connect kwa taya nyuma ya reverse. Unaona hiyo reverse right ya nyuma, una connect, una splice hapa. You splice here, then you connect this on your, you connect it to your reverse light. Okay, so what it will do when you engage reverse here on the lever, it will send a signal. It will send a current, 12 volts current, to your reverse lamp. Now that signal will be communicated to the computer, the computer of this the reverse camera, and it's going to shift. So if the point of view, you see now point of view is outside, outside. Now point of view will change to reverse, so that you can be able to use it as a reverse camera. Okay, now this point here, this jack, this is 3mm jack. You plug it here direct, okay, like this. Let me show you. You plug it there. Okay, so now my reverse camera, it's actually connected. Okay, but now if it has a night driving, night vision, you see this, the LED, this night vision actually helps you to see even at night. So when you engage this one, when you engage this light, for the reverse, this LED are actually going to light up your back na huko nyuma ya gari. Okay, so that is how actually you're able to. Si unaona ndio hii, this is the reverse camera. Nataka muangalie hapa kwa screen. Si unaona inaniface hii? Haya, si unaona? Haya, unaona nimeface huko? Si unaona kwenye nimeface? Si unaona huko? Si unaona? Unaona? I don't know whether you can see. Hivyo. Si unaiona? Si unaona? Sasa hii ndio reverse camera. So this camera in total, it has 3 cameras. It has this one. This is the